Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. And if we can get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of June, then I'll get the Jeep logo tattooed on me. So if you want to be part of that, click that subscribe button down below right now. Now, today's video is going to be something a little bit different. It's going to be kind of fun for me. Basically, I'm going to take my mom on a ride here. I got the GoPro set up in here like this so that it'll record us and it'll get both angles of both of us and it'll record the audio of us talking. So basically, she thinks I'm just going to ask her some questions, but I'm going to try and scare her and just kind of floor it, take some corners a little bit sharp, and make some noise with the Jeep and see if I can scare her and get a little bit of a reaction out of her. She doesn't know that, but you know, she knows I'm gonna exploit her for some views here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button down below. But let's just jump right into the video now. All right, guys. So this is my mom.
Hi.
Say hello. I figured this would be a good idea because we're coming up on 10,000 subscribers. So I figured I would do a video with her and ask her some questions about what she thinks about YouTube, what she thinks about the Jeep, what she thinks about the future plans, and about how much money I've spent on the Jeep and stuff like that. So we're gonna go for a drive and just kind of ask her some questions. Maybe there'll be a part 2 of this. If you guys enjoy this video, then leave some questions down below and I will go ahead and ask her in the next video. But we're just gonna go ahead, and you've probably seen this drive normally because we drive over here with POV drives all the time. So let's just go ahead and get going. All right, so first question, what do you think about like me doing like the YouTube stuff as like a job? Like, is it weird like telling your friends and stuff? Like,
no, because you do a good job at it.
yeah, but like, are they like, how do you make money off it? Like, you know what I mean? Like, how?
You're making money, so you're taking care of yourself. You don't ask me for any money.
But like, you're like, all right, like, if you, like when you told like Michelle, right? She probably understands it a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
That guy's got a work for it sticker. That's another YouTuber.
So I tell my friends that, oh, hello.
You what?
Okay, are we supposed to talk when you're driving this fast?
Yeah, of course.
I thought we were just gonna have like a nonchalant conversation here.
Well, that's what we're doing. But
Oh, okay.
what were you saying?
So I tell my friends that you do YouTube videos and that you're doing very well at it.
And then you link them and you're like, make sure you subscribe to BJP Lifestyle. If you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button down below right now. She said so. She said so.
I tell them that, yeah.
And what do you think about me getting the Jeep logo tattooed if I hit 10K?
I think it's cool.
Well, you have tattoos, right?
I have tattoos. Let's see if you can get 10. If you get 10, I'll go with you.
Are you gonna get the Jeep logo tattooed?
No,
Alright.
no.
Alright, what if I hit 20K by the end of the month?
Oh my God, then
That's impossible.
I'll get it.
That's
I'll
impossible.
get it if you get 20K.
Alright, so if you guys can push like another 11,000 subscribers by the end of the month, then
We'll both
get the Jeep logo. And she doesn't like, well, she likes Jeeps, but...
I like Wranglers.
Oh wait, let's do this.
Oh no, he's gonna scare me, guys.
She said you're gonna get in trouble. No, you're gonna crash and kill us. You're gonna get in trouble. Alright, we just about hit there. This road's weird though, because it kind of like, did you feel it?
I felt it.
It gets kind of like swirly.
I made faces.
It's it gets kind of wobbly. Like, I don't know why, but like the way the pavement is, it's not like just like a straight highway or something. So
Yeah.
it's just casual for me.
Here we go again. I just have a death grip on the door.
You can grab this thing over there. You want to hear one there? You said.
I know.
And then there's me. I'm just. Oh, what do you think of the Jeep? Like, do you think it's good? Like where it is now? Like, or did you like it better when it was like stock?
No, I like it better now. I like all the tinting. I even like the lowering, even though I didn't think I was gonna like that, but I do like it now.
I should have thought of more questions. I thought I had them, but now I just, you know, I hit my head and I forget.
No, you jerk.
No way. We really almost just died.
It would have been his fault. He would have died.
I should have smoked him. That would have made for a good video.
That would have.
This van comes over, then that guy just cuts out in front. He's like, yeah, I got time. This guy's only coming at me at 60. That lady was driving with her foot like this.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, it seemed very comfortable.
Just came off the highway with her foot up in the air.
Maybe she's been driving for a long time and she needs to rest the foot.
Maybe, I don't know. Or she's drunk.
Maybe.
I'm also drunk driving right now, by the way, guys. Yeah. So I'm actually drunk driving with doing this video. Just an extra test, just to make sure.
No, you're not. You wouldn't put me at risk like that.
Wait, do you want to see what I mean when I say cutting up?
Sure. What's cutting up? Oh, that's when you weave in and out, right? So what do you think about this car compared to the other one that you want?
The SRT?
The SRT, yeah.
I mean, this one's fine, but I want the SRT. Like, and then when I get the SRT, I'm gonna do a real video like this with you, and you're gonna be scared as hell.
Oh, that's not gonna be fun.
Because like when I floor it in this one, there's like a lag time before it like hits some power and like kind of pushes you back. Where that one, it's just like right there, and it's like twice as much power, and it'll be like 10 times as loud. How do you think it feels though? Do you think it feels like smooth, or do you think it's like feels weird with the wheels and tires and the lowering and stuff?
No, it feels good.
Or like it's a smooth ride?
It is. It feels good. What's this car?
Getting pulled over with my mom in the car.
Oh my gosh, so horrible. Be like, oh my god, I didn't bring my cigarettes.
What?
I didn't bring my cigarettes.
What do you need your... What? As you can tell, she's a little bit of a crackhead. So if you ever, as you guys know, I have crackhead energy here. So yeah, that's, you can kind of understand where it comes from a little bit.
So why don't you like the Jeep Wranglers?
I do, but they're just not. I like the sporty, like I want a sporty car, like SUV, I don't know. But, I mean, you didn't even know, but the Wranglers just came out with a 392. I don't know if you've seen that, but normally you can only get a V6 Wrangler. But now they came out with a 392 V8 engine, which is the same one that's in the SRT.
Oh.
So it's the SRT engine in a Wrangler. So it's really loud and really fast for a...
Is it a 4-door or a 2-door?
I think you might be able to get it in both.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I was at the Jeep dealer today and there was not one Jeep Wrangler.
Yeah, that's why I'm like, I wish I could trade this in right now. And it like, I kind of want to just, like, if I didn't have the YouTube channel based off of like my car, I'd probably like trade it in or sell it right now and then just drive like a hoopty for a little bit until I get an SRT, like when the prices come down. Because like the trade-in value on this is way higher than it should be.
Yeah,
It's like all Jeeps in general, but like, I don't know, they're super high right now, so.
yeah, they hold value, that's for sure. Getting awful close to them.
I was like 2 car lengths away.
You were not.
Yeah, I was.
Are you gonna bumper car them?
I will if you want. If that's what'll get the views, I don't care.
It has 2 cars at one time.
She said, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. 2 cars going slow in a straightaway. That's so funny. This one, and it like enables the paddles. Let's say like we're in 7 right now.
Yeah.
Like we're cruising. But then if I drop it down like 2, see how it's now at 5th. Then 4th. Go 3rd.
Oh my god. What's this guy on a bike?
I don't know. It's you. I know how to drive.
Well, he doesn't have like arms on or anything. At least, I didn't see him right away.
You said, there's a kind of bike. I know.
I do not drive like this.
No?
No.
Me either. I never, like, it's so rare that I ever drive like this. Like, I would never just cruise down this back road at like 70, 80, ever. Or like go around 2 cars at once.
Not at 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, I would never, ever. Like, like I said, like I'm a safe driver, and like everyone knows in my videos, like by the blurred out speedometer and the fact that we're recording this in Mexico, that like I would never. But that's just me. I don't know.
I don't know.
Some people drive like that, but not me.
No. Okay. I think I just witnessed it.
No. I think that's cap.
I think I'm not a cop. Thank God. So I pull you over.
Speed limit 25. That's weird because I was going 25.
I think you're dyslexic. You're going
I gotta beep that out. Alright guys, that's probably going to be about it for this video. Just a quick one here, just asking some questions. Obviously the basis was scaring my mom in the Jeep. Unfortunately, there wasn't too much traffic for me to like cut up in, because I know that really would have got you a little panicked. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it anyway, and if you guys want to see another one of these where either I scare my mom actually, then just DM me on Instagram or let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see. Or if you have any questions for my mom, like about the YouTube stuff, about the Jeep, you know, you want to hear her opinion on what I'm doing here and stuff like that, then let me know in the comment section down below. Of course, like this video if you did enjoy, help the YouTube algorithm, help this video get out to more people, of course help the channel grow, and of course if you're not already subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel, and like I said, I'll get that Jeep logo tattooed if you guys can push me to 10,000 subs. And officially in this video, if you can get it to 20,000 somehow, which is pretty much impossible unless this video does like 1 million views, she'll get the Jeep logo tattooed on her as well, which would be pretty funny because she doesn't even drive a Jeep right now. But of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.